Hi, and welcome to my bass guitar fingering techniques video. What I'm going to do is show you how I use these three fingers to play a popular bass line. Up at the 7th fret, I'm holding down the D and the G string, just like that. I can use two fingers or just one, whichever I prefer, but that's all we're doing up here on this end. Down here at the right hand, we're going to take these three fingers and we're going to play this. Notice that I'm using these three fingers and I'm rotating those three fingers to get a nice consistent sound. I'm playing these strings gently, very gently, and when I play a note, I land on the string above it. Starting with the G string, I'm going to go like that. So I want to practice rotating those fingers like this. Very gently, hear that? And each finger lands on that D string. Okay? So this is how we're going to do this. And then whichever finger is left, we're going to play the string above it. We're going to use whatever finger comes around in the rotation to play that note. Okay, so it's going to go. Notice the first time around it was the index finger. Second time around it wound up being the ring finger. Okay, so whichever finger winds up playing that note is fine. So that way we get a nice consistent feel throughout the piece. Now if we were playing something like this, we want to use the index and middle finger, just like this. And what we're going to do is just play the fingers like that. The same way we played the three, except we're now using just two. So we've got like that. One finger did that. See? 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2. So if we start with one string and go to another, we play both strings with the same finger. And then when we play a double note, we use both fingers. And then finish out with the remaining finger. Well, all right. That's our fingering techniques video. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day.